It's now your August 27th tropical update. I just made this tropical depression 6. Really, nothing's going to happen. Might become a tropical storm the next day or two, but really nothing significant. We'll start with the other storms. We're looking at an area in the Gulf that might develop. Probably not. If anything, it'll be a depression. And then, of course, off the Gulf, or off the coast of Africa, rather, we are definitely looking at something coming in the next week or so off of the coast. Now, more importantly, obviously, is going to be tropical storm currently Dorian. Dorian passed just around Barbados yesterday. It made landfall on St. Lucia, cut the center. It's only like the 7th storm to hit St. Lucia directly, make landfall on it, rather. The center then relocated to the northwest, and now it's heading off towards Puerto Rico, and we're going with the northern side of the envelope. So now Puerto Rico right in it. It looks like we're going to have a tropical storm there. Still looking at the northern part of the Dominican Republic, but remember, the mountains are really over here, so not much destruction to the cyclone expected. We do then have us up to a severe tropical storm, which is a designation used in all the basins except for the ones used by the Hurricane Center. Then it's actually going to pop up north here, north of the Bahamas, might hit up the Turks and Caicos a little bit, but Category 1, as it heads inward, it's then going to take out the northern, or not take out, but it will then affect the northern Bahamas as a Category 1, likely just to the north of that. And then we have Category 2 is what I'm expecting just outside of Orlando. And I haven't assigned an impact risk for Orlando and the Florida coast yet, because the possibilities are pretty large. There are some models, there are 2 European ensembles members that have it off the north coast of Cuba as like a Cat 4, and then over here, and then like over the course of the next few days, it shows up over south of Louisiana as a Category 5. So those are extreme solutions. There's other extreme solutions that have maybe a Cat 5 over here south of Charleston. So really it's all throughout the place, but right now, at least in the next 5 days, if there is going to be a mainland U.S. landfall, it will occur somewhere between Miami and Jacksonville. I can guarantee that much. If there is a U.S. landfall in the next 5 days, it will be between Miami and Jacksonville. Nowhere else. But, of course, that's subject to change. The intensity, subject to change. We'll be back with more information tomorrow for your tropical update.